What's up, Tobermory? Do you remember the rake wall that we recently uncovered here in Tobermory? Well, the weather's finally cooperating. We're able to expose the whole house now to the elements since it's getting pretty nice. Though summer seems to never arrive, but here we are. We've got it uncovered. We came across, of course, some very, very rotten wood. Poor framing practice, but we're here now. We are getting it done. We're reframing one piece at a time. It's a slow process, but it's being done right. Why don't we go have a look? Wow. Yeah, there you have it. So, 3 days ahead of us yet to reframe this rake wall. But we'll get it done. As soon as it's reframed, we'll confirm the openings for the new windows, get those on order. Those usually take, especially with the shape of windows, might take 6 to 8 weeks. But we'll make sure to leave the entire home completely waterproof during lead time.